What's up guys, my name is Vinir Singh. I hope you have a fantastic day. And today I'm going to Sand Skypark Observation Desk. It's the 56th floor of Marina Bay Sands Hotel. Yes, 56th floor. Cool. Here is my ticket, which cost me $23, and I can view the whole Singapore from the top 56th floor. Here is my lift. I'm standing on the B1 floor and this lift will direct goes to 56th floor within a 10 seconds. Even sometimes when we are in a lift, there is a vibration. But this lift is on a silent mode. Even it has a 57 floors total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Even less than a 7 seconds, I am on the 56th floor. Cool. Now I need to show the ticket to the security officers. There is a huge welcome for everyone. There is a photo studio on the left side. They will charge you $80 and they will click the photo on the green background and give you the photo with the Sand Skypark. But $80 is a huge. Here it is, Dream View, Dream Country, the Singapore. It's round in shape, start from the left side and finish on the right. There is a proper security. Definitely it's a 56th floor. The name is Sand Skypark, but there is no park on the top floor, but you can view the whole Singapore garden and the park. It has actually total 57 floors, but the 57th floor is for the person who is staying in this hotel, which costs you $500 a day, and you can swim in the artistic design swimming pool on the 57th floor. Cool. There are huge office buildings everywhere, and most of the strongest companies are in Singapore. Even Japan is a strong country, but still Japanese people are doing job in the Singapore. You can touch the sky on a 56th floor. Even there is also a eatable stuffs. There is an ice cream corner, there is a chips corner. Each and everything is on the 56th floor, but it is very costly. There is so much going on and so much happening in this sky park. People walking around, eating together, swimming, some people dancing a little bit, singing together, some people talking to themselves. Awesome. Well, next time when I will come to the Singapore, I will stay in this Marina Bay hotel so that I can enjoy the swimming pool view of 57th floor. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, press the thumb button and please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification first of my next video. God bless you and your family.